Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make super delicious and nutritious dates milkshake. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Remove seeds and add dates into your blender. Now add just about 10 to 20 ml of milk and blend it smooth. The mixture has turned out into smooth paste. Now let's add the remaining milk. Blend it again for about 30 seconds and your dates milkshake is ready to serve. This 2-ingredient milkshake will be ready within 2 minutes. It's highly nutritious and non-toxic and can be consumed by any age group. Add some ice cubes if needed, or you can serve it right away. I hope you found this recipe useful. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.